Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You will have this pop-up right here with the two options, so swipe up to share or swipe down to capture a scrollable screenshot, which actually won't be accessible in home screen. It's only accessible in content that can be scrolled down, like settings as an example. Now once you have captured your screenshot, it then can be found in your gallery application, so I'm going to quickly open that up. And you can see it right here in the photos. It's the most recent one and actually the only one that is visible for me. But you should also be able to find it in your albums under screenshots. Now in here obviously you will see all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. So there we go. So that is how you can capture a screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.